Hey, what's going on, guys? John Gamer here, and welcome back to another Minecraft episode. In today's episode, I'm gonna tell you that I'm gonna play factions even though you don't want to, because MWM wanted to play on a video. So yeah, I just want to see if he's good at PvP. And also, I'm with LubbyWatch. So hey, bro. I said hey, bro. Not speaking. Not speaking. So, alright guys, this is the home of MWM. Look at this. He is almost done in his build, and in my opinion, he did pretty good. He said yay. Alright. So this is my home, and this is our room, LubbyWatch and mine. And it's pretty cool. I'm gonna add something that makes it cooler. So yeah. I'm gonna start factions tomorrow, and hope you guys enjoy this and also hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you have, be sure to hit that like button down below and subscribe if you haven't yet. And yeah, see you all in the next episode. Goodbye.